Okay, we are going to go ahead and get started. I know I didn't give you guys a whole lot of time to get through the opener this morning, but I just wanted to, Mondays are hard. Sometimes it takes us a minute to get our minds going again, so we're going to start going through these together. After I go through the openers with you, I want to get our notes in order for the test, so somebody remind me if I forget. So the first three problems here. The first one here, we have negative 40 equals negative 6a. When I see a number touching a variable, what does that mean to do? So if that means to multiply, I'm going to have to do the opposite and divide to get the variable by itself. When I divide, I'm going to divide by what? Yeah, make sure you take that negative with you. Now, two things here. Two negatives equal a what? Positive. So if I have a negative 40 and a negative 6, my answer is going to be positive. If I take 40 divided by 6, I'm going to end up with a decimal, right? I don't want a decimal. So I'm going to leave it as a fraction, but I have to put that 40 over 6 in simplest form. So what's 40 over 6 going to be able to be reduced down to?
2.
Just 2?
Yeah.
I disagree. 40 over 6.
But that'll work though.
20 over 3.
20 over 3. And that's going to be our final answer. Oh, I see. You're saying you're able to reduce it by 2.
The whole part.
No. So I didn't make you show your work because your calculator does that for you. Yeah. Sorry. You were totally right, Deontay.
Right, I was.
See, Mondays are hard. I just misunderstood what you're telling me. I'm like, no, that doesn't work. That the answer's not going to be 2. Yes, you can reduce it by 2. Okay? Anybody have any questions on how to get this answer on your calculator?
No.
Okay, moving right along then. This next one, circle my variable, draw my line. How do I get the b by itself here?
Minus 7 on both sides.
On both sides, that's the main thing. So put my b, my equals, what's 4 minus negative, or excuse me, 4 minus 7?
Negative 3.
Negative 3, final answer, box it. Okay?
Circle your barrel.
Alright, Jaden, what do I do first here? What? What do I do first? Draw my line, circle my variable. Then, minus 4 over 9, whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. Okay, that cancels. I bring my variable c down. Okay, 1/9 minus 4/9 is going to equal negative 1 over 3. And box my final answer. Nice job. Any questions on these first 3?
Nope.
Okay. Good job showing your work.
Are we taking a test on Al-Qaeda?
Unkind? No. No.
God darn it.
Show the rest of your work. Get your answer, flip it over. If you're not done with the backside and you're waiting on me, go ahead and start working on this next one. Okay. Now we have 4/5 equals d over 10. Circle my variable, draw my line of equality. Danielle, how do I get the d by itself here? So I'm going to multiply each side by 10. I'm going to run out of room. So I'm going to multiply my 10 underneath like this. I usually don't like to write it out like that, but I just don't have enough room. So I bring my variable d down. What's 4/5 times 10?
4/5 times 10.
8.
I
Good.
was just about to say that.
You're going to do the next one.
Yep, she's on.
You going to do the next one or the last one? Let's have you do the middle one. All right. Okay, so the middle one here, we have e over negative 5 equals negative 3. Try your line of equality.
Okay.
So how are we going to get the e by itself?
The multiply by
Multiply each side by negative 5. So on my left side here, I'm going to take negative 5 times negative 5. Those cancels. On my right side, I'm going to take negative 3 times negative 5.
You're talking to
fast. Can you slow it down?
So we're gonna, to get the e by itself, the opposite of division is multiplication. So we're gonna multiply. We don't use x anymore because that could be confused with a variable. You're gonna use a little dot. There you go, times -5. Then you show that that cancels. Whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. Okay, so now we're gonna bring our variable e down on the left side. Okay, so bring down your variable e equals on your line of equality. Okay, what's -3 times -5?
You said what?
What's -3 times -5?
15.
15. Positive 15, right? So I got 15 in there. And then our final thing that we do is box it. How many of you guys got that one right?
Nice.
Why did like a
Okay, last one here.
You gotta write it on your paper now.
Circle our variable. Draw our line of equality. How do I get the variable f by itself, Jair? How am I going to get the f by itself here?
Are we going to bring something down?
We are. So if I have if I have 4/5 f, since that number is touching the variable f, what does that mean to do, you guys?
What?
Multiply. What's the opposite of multiply?
Divide.
So we're going to divide each side by
4/5.
4/5. There you go. So that cancels. Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other. I bring my variable f down, my equals down on my line of equality. Then you're going to take 8/15 divided by 4/5, and that's going to get your answer for you.
Two-thirds.
2/3. You guys all agree?
No.
No?
Wait, is it
Well, let's check here.
is it adding?
So if we have,
I need -1/3.
well, give me a second. I don't see any negatives.
Wait.
So keep,
Hold on.
flip, change.
It's just 1/3.
Nope, I got 2/3.
Yep, I said first. I'm
Yep,
genius.
we got 2/3. So 2/3 is our final answer.